Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Clarissa the Boss Queen, and in this video today I'm going to be talking to you guys about domain names for your website. Alright, so the previous video that I did, I demonstrated on how to get started with your Shopify website. You have to start your free 14-day trial first, and then after that you pick your plan. You can pick the $29 plan, the $79 plan, or the $299 plan to get started with building and creating your website. Well, this is actually the second step to getting your website into the search engine for on the internet. So whether it be Google, YouTube, or any other search engine, this is the domain name. This is what people type in when they're looking for your site. So this domain name is very important. Okay, so with that being said, you have to pay annually for your domain name. And excuse me, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and also don't forget to share and like this video. All right, so getting into domain name, like I said, after you did step one is that you did your free trial and you picked a package plan, whether, let's say you picked the $29 one. Okay, after you do that, that's the first step. Now you want to create and purchase your domain name, okay? Your domain name is your website. Basically another name for your website, okay? This is what people are going to put into the search engine. All right, so with the domain name, you have to buy a name. If you see that up there on the top right hand corner where it says buy new domain and it's in green, you want to click on that. I'm going to click on it, but see, I already have my domain name. My domain name, if you look to the left, is queenislandgoddess.com. And if you look in the middle, it says I'm supposed to renew on April 15th, 2022. So you renew your domain name once a year. Okay, once every year, you pay for that. See, I pay for that once every year. You renew that, all right? So now let's click on, okay, so now what I'm going to do, how to get to the domain section, I'm sorry. You want to go onto your app, okay, your Shopify app. Once you download the app, the way to get to this is I'm going to start from scratch. You're going to, how to get to your domain name, to purchase it and everything. You want to go on your Shopify app, okay? You want to click on the bottom part where it says store. You want to click on store. And see, they have all these options here. You want to stroll up and you want to go to settings. So when you click on settings, okay, after you hit settings, there's other options. You scroll up. You have the billing, you have the plan, you have payments. You want to go to the domains, okay? You're going to click on that. And right now it's telling me to update Google Chrome, but that didn't work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the continue with unsupported browser. And this is how you get to the domain name with purchasing. Now, I'm going to click on the buy new domain, but I don't want to lose my information. I'm kind of scared to click on that. But if you want to purchase a domain name, you can click on that where it says buy new domain. But I'm not going to click on that because I'm scared that it's going to erase whatever I already have. So if you're new to it, just click on that. Okay, so now I have to renew on April the 15th. Okay, that's when I purchased my domain name. I guess a couple of years ago I opened up my online store. So and then previously last year I paid my domain name, which is queenislandgoddess.com. All right, so now if you go up, you can, if you stroll up down at the bottom, as you can see, you see Shopify manage domains. Okay, this is what I was saying earlier. in one of my previous videos. If you do not purchase a domain name annually for your website, this is what your domain name will be. As you can see, for example, queenislandgoddess.myshopify.com. Now, if you want that, that's because you didn't purchase your domain name. If you don't, that's what you're going to get. And that's what I was saying. That sounds so unprofessional. I would rather just keep it queenislandgoddess.com. But if you don't pay for your domain name, that's what you're going to get. You're going to get queenislandgoddess.myshopify.com. So if you don't want that, you need to definitely purchase a domain name for your website, okay? I'm going to go back and finish. So that's simple as that. So it says domain name. Let's see, auto renew, provider emails. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's see, disable. So yeah, so that's what I like when people look at my online store or looking up my online store in a Google search. You're gonna type in just queenislandgoddess.com and you pay for that every year. So let's say today is March the 6th. Let's say if you purchase your domain name, today's date is March the 6th. So what you're going to do is every year on March the 6th, you're going to purchase your domain name. Now, I forgot how much I paid for my domain name. Let's see. Let's see if I can see how much the purchase was. You know what? I think that's in billing. So we're going to go to billing. Let's see if billing can. So you're going to go to billing. Okay. And we're going to go to with the continue with unsupported browser. And let's see what comes up because I forgot. All right. So here, I can't believe I got that in there. All right. So let's see. Billing currently replace. So I have the Shopify, the $79. That's what I was talking about with the plan. I have the $79 every 30 days, renew on March 27th. Okay. So that is the billing for my monthly plan. They only debit that out of your account once a month. So once you pick a plan, they only will debit it out your account once a month on the day that you purchase the plan. Okay. Okay, so that is that, and then it has the recent bills. So if it does fail, like let's say if you don't have the money in your account on that day that it's supposed to be debited out, they will I think try again like 10 days later or something like that, and as long as you have it in there, again, your website will be online. But the moment that you fail to pay for your website monthly, it will not be online. It will not be in Google search. So make sure that you do that. You pay your monthly fee for your website so that your customers can go on there every month. Once you don't pay it, your customers cannot go on there. So let's go to plan. So I think plan is just the same thing. That's the first step. So I'm going to kind of refresh and go back to the first step. Okay, the first step is the plan that I picked was a $79 a month plan. And then, they'll debit it out your account every month. So, okay, so I'm going to go back and just do a little recap. So step one is you want to, like I said, go ahead and purchase, get the plan going, do the free 14-day trial. After that, pick your plan. Then after you pick your plan, go on the app and you want to scroll down to domain. Okay, it's very important because if you don't do this, your website will have myshopify.com in that, and you kind of don't want that. And then, let's see. you go to the domains, and you pick everything, and you let's see, here's that, and you pick a plan. I mean, you pick what you want your website to be titled, and whatever it is, whatever the title that you pick, you're going to put that .com or .org at the end of it. That is your domain name. Um, and that way you renew that every year. So I'm just gonna click on manage and see what it does for me. Okay, so let's see here. We have emails forwards to info@queenislandgoddess.com, queenislandgoddess.com. Okay, so auto your next charge due on April. Okay, your renewal charge. Okay, so this is what I was trying to figure out, how much was my renewal charge for my domain name. So auto renew this domain name every year. What that means is auto renew. It's going to debit it out of your account automatically on that particular day. So on April the 15th, it's going to debit $14 out of my account to renew and keep my domain name up for a whole nother year. Okay, so that is what that is. Okay, and then it says purchase details, queenislandgoddess.com. So I purchased on April 29th, 2001. So that's when I purchased my domain name. So managed by Shopify, and then register information. Okay, I'm gonna have to go and edit the address, but I will do that later. But yeah, so I only paid $14. Not bad. $14 for my domain name. All right, so it's not that much to keep it up. So just go ahead and purchase your domain name for that small fee, so you can keep it up annually every year. So you will have a professional name for your website. That is step 2. That completes step 2 of just getting your website started. Okay, that's just getting your website started. Those first 2 steps are very important, and once you get those first 2 steps out the way, you can go ahead and add products. You can go ahead and do your discounts. You can go ahead and start selling your products on your online store. So it was very easy to go to. Like I said, you want to go to your app, whether it be on your phone, your tablet, or your computer, and you're going to click on the store, the little green store right here. You're going to click on store, which I already did, and then you're going to click on settings. Once you click on settings, then it gives you with all the options. It gives you, if you ever want to go back and change your plan, see about your billing, payments, checkout, shipping and delivery, the taxes, gift cards, and now we came to the domain name, because specifically this is the video today is specifically about domain names. So I'm going to click on that again, and that comes up. And if you are having this problem where it says update Google and it won't let you, or just try the update Android system web. If not, if you don't want to do that, just click on the continue with unsupported browser, and it will come up, and that way you can go ahead and you can change your domain name and everything. So that's how you do the domain name. That is the second step, is very important of creating your website. This is the step that everybody is going to be using to when they start looking for your website to order and purchase your products. So okay, this completes my video for domain name. I hope this video was very helpful to you, so that when you're creating your Shopify website, you'll know how to create your domain name. Now, again, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.